gonna try to get these little blocks.
Did good?
Yeah, you good?
We gotta keep moving these though, so let's I'll be Johnny on the spot with these.
You got that?
Yeah.
Alright, so just check the
Yep.
Another foot.
Yeah, we're good.
Another foot. It's on the ramp. Alright,
Off the trailer.
now give it some more slack. Hold on. Yeah, that's smaller than my car. It's tiny. I got plenty of room.
Oh, man. Go forward.
Touch. Just yeah, I got plenty of room to walk around. That's fine.
I'll be up against the truck.
I have so much room to walk. Yeah.
Cool.
They painted it green and gray. That was all the rage. The original was black. And that's gray.
Well, here it is. This is my parents' 1958 Corvette. They're the second owners. They purchased it in 1963. It has 5,251 original miles on it. The miles are verified with various paperwork over the years. We'll get into that later. All the interior is here in boxes from the move. Some parts are here in the trunk. No hardtop. The soft top is here. Not in the greatest condition, but all the parts are there. The car was originally black, verified with paperwork. My parents had it painted green in the late 1960s at the Chevy dealership where my uncle worked as a mechanic. You can see the black paint underneath, and most of the chrome trim is intact. The engine is a 327, a date-coded 1963, replaced when my parents bought the car as they wanted more power. The motor was purchased at the Chevy dealer and installed there. It has the Winters aluminum intake, 327-340 setup, has a Carter AFB carb. We'll be diving into all these numbers and technical stuff in later videos. Sadly, the Wonderbar radio is not here. The car had a brief moment of a break-in and the horn button, shift knob, and the radio were taken. But I still have the receipt from when the dual exhausts were replaced at the dealer. The door jamb has a sticker with previous maintenance date and mileage. And we do have the original bill of sale too. This car will need a restoration of some kind. What would you do? Well, it could be yours, as this car is going to be up for sale. More videos to come as I document the steps to get it ready for its next owner. Maybe it'll be you.